Software test engineer. A test engineer typically designs and develops test cases and test plans, and they may also be responsible for the automation of testing processes. Quality assurance, QA. Engineer. QA engineers are responsible for ensuring the overall quality of software products, which includes both testing and process improvement. Automation. Software tester. Automation testers specialize in automating test cases and testing processes using automation tools and scripts. Manual software tester. Manual testers primarily perform testing without the use of automation tools and rely on their human interaction with the software to find defects. Performance software tester. Performance testers focus on assessing how well software performs under different conditions, such as load testing, stress testing, and scalability testing. Software security tester, or software penetration tester. Security testers focus on identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses in software to ensure that it is secure from external threats. User acceptance software tester, UAT. UAT testers are often end users or stakeholders who validate that the software meets the business requirements and is ready for production use. Software test. Lead test leads are responsible for overseeing and managing the testing process within a project. They may coordinate the efforts of the testing team, create test strategies, and communicate with other project stakeholders. Software test manager. Test managers are responsible for the overall testing strategy, planning, resource management, and coordination of testing efforts across multiple projects or programs. Software test analysts are often responsible for analyzing requirements and designing test cases based on these requirements. Software testing architect. Test architects are experts in designing the overall testing framework, strategies, and approaches for complex software systems. Continuous integration, continuous deployment software tester. These testers focus on ensuring that the testing process is integrated seamlessly into the CI/CD pipeline to facilitate rapid and reliable software delivery. Mobile app software tester. Mobile app testers specialize in testing software applications on various mobile platforms, such as iOS and Android. Gaming software tester. Game testers evaluate video games to identify issues related to gameplay, graphics, sound, and user experience. Regulatory compliance software tester. These testers focus on ensuring that software complies with specific industry or regulatory standards, such as HIPAA for healthcare or PCI DSS for payment processing. Accessibility software tester. Accessibility testers assess software to ensure it is usable by individuals with disabilities and adheres to accessibility standards like WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. White box software tester. White box testers focus on testing the internal logic and structure of the software, including code coverage and path analysis. Black box software tester. Black box testers test the software from a user's perspective without knowledge of its internal workings. API software tester. API testers specialize in testing application programming interfaces, APIs, to ensure they function correctly and integrate well with other software components. Database software tester. Database testers focus on testing the integrity and functionality of databases, including data validation, data consistency, and data retrieval. Exploratory software tester. Exploratory testers rely on their creativity and domain knowledge to explore and test the software without predefined test cases. Usability Software Tester. Usability testers evaluate software from a user experience perspective, assessing how user-friendly and intuitive it is. Compatibility Software Tester. Compatibility testers ensure that software works seamlessly across various platforms, browsers, and devices. Localization Software Tester. Localization testers assess the software's adaptation to different languages, cultures, and regions. Globalization Software Tester. Globalization testers evaluate how well software can be adapted and used in various international markets.